Ooh, the primer works. Oh, okay. That part of the project is done. And what I want to do is build a bed off the front of it to carry firewood and other stuff. That is, and if it's not terribly expensive, then that's what I'll get. But I need some casters, and that'll have to wait. Welcome back. I got some casters, and I've been busy. And I really didn't film that because, well, this is what I've got. So here's the casters. Got them at Hobo Freight. And I think, oh my God, my knees. I think they'll do okay. I kind of want to get some triangling right in there, but we'll see. And then you know, here it is. So now I gotta find a piece to go there. I have two small pieces. I guess I could weld them together and go that route. And then I don't know if I want this sitting on top of it or I want it underneath. I'm leaning towards sitting it on top. But we'll buzz them in. And then I left it way over there. You see that. I think I'm going to do triangles from there to there, and then from there to over here. I think I'll do that. We'll buzz this in, and then I'll find something for the backrest. I just didn't go Home Depot. Maybe payday. I don't know. I gotta get a battery now, so for everyday vehicle. That's so much fun. So I need one piece of angle and something for a backrest, and then we can cut up for those steel grates I got for the bottom, and then we're getting closer. So I think what I'll do, I really can't do anything. I really need a piece for the front. I don't want to weld. I don't want to tack the back in and then have it not be square. Not that that matters. I would like it kind of square-ish. So, shit. Well, I guess that's as far as we're going. Oh. We'll get up. Alright, well. Let's put up from the back. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's going to be awesome. I can't wait. 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 Alright. Till the next time. Hey, I'm back with an update. I went digging in the shed. I dug out the last two pieces of angle iron that I got from the same bed frame. And I got good news. One piece is just long enough. This piece right here, I gotta get rid of this, nub, but this piece, oh, come on. Look at that. Look at that. She fits. And you know the saying, if it fits, it ships with liquid metal. So I'm going to buzz off that end with the death wheel. Grind it down. Here we go. I'm actually using fixtures. Holding it down. I got my 90. And I'm even using one of these little thingies. We're so professional today. Oh, look at that. Those are some fine welds. I mean, for me. I know, there's always better welders on the YouTubes, professionals. You know, but for me, some guy working with rusty crap out in the barn, and look, that's pretty square. And that is pretty square. I mean, for me, oh, that is like, for me, that is mint. Alright, I'm hungry. I gotta let this cool down. I still gotta flip it over. I gotta buzz the one side and the side, but we got a lot done today. So maybe tomorrow or Wednesday we can do some more if it's not raining. The sky was blue today. I don't know what that means. There also wasn't any water coming from the sky, so the end of the world might be upon us pretty soon. I didn't see any clouds, so were we in the center of the hurricane? But the weatherman has assured me that we will go back to our scheduled regular program this weekend, and it shall drown us and flood us out again. So we'll see if we can get this done before all of that. All right, we're getting there.
Several days later.
All right, I can't remember where we left off, but my little snowblower hauler. Oh, I gotta get down. All right. So we left it off without that, and it was very bendy in the middle. So I kind of shelved it, got busy, and I just put that in, a little cross brace, just a little piece of steel I had, nothing major. Burned it in. And, well, first of all, no jack stand, so now this is sitting level-ish. And, look, no bendy in the middle. And when I tip back onto it, that one corner is pretty good. So, I'm going to throw another piece in. We'll burn it in. That should stiffen it up. And then we'll work on the grid on the top. And that should be it. That'll be done. That'll be it. That will be all she wrote. Which is good because I kind of need it. All right, let me fab up that other piece. Really, I just cut it down until I make it fit, and then I take a big hammer to it, and then I make it fit, and then I just clean up the ends, and I burn it in with some of the greatest bubblegum welds that mankind's ever seen. But it'll hold. All right, let me get that done. FYI, if you need a good blade for your Sawzall blade to cut metal, like this kind of metal, like, what's this? Quarter inch maybe? Somewhere in that neighborhood. This blade is like awesome. It's $12. Get it at Walmart. carbide, and I'm telling you, like butter. Just goes through it, doesn't get hot, doesn't start to smoke, just cuts. Just go slow, let it do the cutting, and it just goes. It's really nice. I might have to get another one. There she is. With the grate tacked welded in. Okay, get rid of that. We don't need that. Alright. There she is. And I think it's safe to say it'll hold a little bit of weight. No problem. Helps us if you put gas in it. I ran out of gas. I want to run.
A few moments later.
It was running like crap. It'll fix itself. Well, I think I gotta go through the carburetor because it's running like poopy. But I got a lot of weight on there. Seemed to handle it till it didn't. I don't know. It's flat. It's flat. So it worked. Then I couldn't steer. Because the wheels are flat. So I don't know if I overloaded them or what. I don't know. But what we do know is that it works. And that's all that matters. I can fix that. I'll put air in the tires. And we'll see how that goes. I'm trying to get my stool. So it worked. It works. Just needs a little bit of fiddling. And maybe I need different front tires. But I think for moving firewood, I think it'll work just fine. I just need a backrest. I don't have anything for that, so might be a trip to Lowe's or Home Depot in the near future. But when I get that and I get it fixed and I get the tires fixed and I get the backrest done, then we'll revisit this. But for now, I guess she's done. I got less than 20 bucks in the whole thing, and I got a lot of time wrapped up into it. It's a start. It kind of works. It'll do what I need to do. So till the next time, and I don't know when that's going to be, but till the next time.
I'll take a minute and talk to you older fellas out there. There's a new trend going on now for men. It's called share your feelings, huh? Especially share your feelings with your partner for life. And I don't mean your beer gut. That sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? Sharing your feelings, huh? Make your relationship stronger. Maybe make the two of you get closer together. But I just like to kind of put the brakes on that right here, right now. You know how you feel about certain things she says and does, and you know what you'd like to tell her. Okay, these are feelings that should not be shared. When she asks you what you're feeling, for God's sakes, don't listen to yourself. Just put your head down, tell her what she needs to hear. If you have other feelings that need to be expressed to some living creature, hey, that's what dogs are for. Now, I'm not asking you to lie. Just pick and choose. Because if you tell her how you feel about what she does, there's a real danger she's going to do the same thing back to you. And you're just not strong enough for that. Remember, I'm pulling for you. We're all in this together.